How to play YouTube music on Discord server. If any day you would like to play any YouTube music to a Discord server, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you search Google Chrome on your mobile device, you have to go to the search option on your Google Chrome. And after that, you need to search Pancake Discord board and tap on the option of the Pancake Discord board. After you tap on the Pancake Discord board, you can see the options like this. Now you have to go to the option of the Pancake here, which is in the Discord. After you tap on the option of the Pancake on your very discord.com, you can see the interface like this. Now you can see the interface with a very Pancake Discord board will be open on your very mobile device. After you open the very Pancake Discord board on your mobile device, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the two options, either copy link or add to server. The most easy option will be add to server. Therefore, you have to go to the option of add to server. And after that, you have to go to the option of add to any server. For example, I would like to add this to my music server. If you add this to your music server and go to the option of the continue, you can see the option like this again. And then you have to go to the option of the authorize and you have to tap on the option of the authorize. Likewise, we have also see the option of wait, are you human? Now you have to tap on the option of I'm a human. And again, you have to go to the next option, that is, it will show on how you're human. Now you have to go to the option of go to music server and tap on go to music server. Now like this, if you add any of the p.help and command like this, you can just add p, a small p there, and then you have to tap on the exclamatory mark like this, and then you can just send it. You can also send any of the command there. For example, you can add any of the command, for example, any of the command of sending your very YouTube video out there. And if you could like this, all of those things, and if you add an exclamatory mark here, and you can light here YouTube music video or anything like that and send here, this way your very YouTube music video will be launched on your very Discord account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.